Natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in positive MACD. We're at overbought levels with the RSI. With the 4-hour chart, we are in positive MACD and approaching to overbought condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, seeing signs of a converge, and we're nearing overbought condition with the RSI. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My entry is at $29.58. My sell target is at $32.91. My stop loss is at $28.41. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $33.74. My sell target is at $30.83. My stop loss is at $34.63. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 40% chance to climb between 0 to 7%, a 20% chance to climb between 7 to 13%. To the downside, it has a 40% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.